Oh no!
Deer text.
Hala. Ginoo ko Lord, ginoo ko tabang ni taon ming tanan.
Guys, pico my go. Good morning, Philippines!
Tignan natin yung pusa, guys. Yung pusa nasa ibabaw ng kahoy. Hello! What are you doing up there? Hala, hindi na siya makatakin. Hala, patay. Hindi na siya Asan yun? Hindi na yan makababa. Wala, kawawa. Mister, no? Mister, no? No? Tignan natin kung makababa ba yan. Ay, very smart din pala. Matalino din pusa. Yan. Hi guys, mag-ano tayo guys ng prutas kasi matatapon lang namin ito kaya magtira ako para kay Tami, makakain niya. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi niya ito makakain lahat. So ito kay Tami. And itong nasa container, ibigay ko sa kapatid ni Tami. Kasi punta kami doon guys. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Nagbihis lang ako. Kasi, klaro yung bilbilets natin sa sinina. Yan kasi sobrang masikip. So, yun. Kailangan ayusin. Masakit yung puson ko guys. I think pa ano na yung monthly ko. Parating. Sleepyhead man na si Bagbag. Sleepyhead. Yung towel dito Sleepyhead, hoy. What are you doing there? What are you doing? What are you doing? We're leaving you, okay? Mama and Dada is going to Aunt Andrea's house. We're going to Aunt Andrea's house. We are going. Bye-bye. There's more, there's more on top over there. And they are bigger and redder. And redder.
Yeah, so why don't you grab them?
I cannot reach. She looks good. You have a nice hair. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
My hair won't go anymore.
Yeah, it look good.
It looks good.
Yeah, you look good. Okay, we're good. Let's go. Broken. No one, they don't use these buildings. Can I buy a mansion for me?
Oh yeah, what is that?
Yeah. Alex, we can live there. That's our castle. Oh, that's really sad. That's sad.
said this place closes at 5?
I guess that's what it said.
So we got back basically just enough time to park. I got it. Well, it's 4:15.
We have a visit. Lala. Ginoo ko Lord, Ginoo ko tabang ni taon ming tanan. Lala Jesus. Oh my God, this is hard. No, we cannot really back up. Oh, that's it. Hold on, there's a rock.
I think I'll leave it enough room to get through here.
Look at it. Oh, look at it. No, and he has a big one.
Well, he needs to get closer to his side. You're welcome. I said the lights are yellow. You punch it to make it to the light.
Watch the wet ones. You know they're gonna be.
What is that?
The fish. Somebody. They have big fish here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take my kayak out. This is really muddy, and I call them little beaches. Yeah.
Trail, guys. Trail. Over there.
You're supposed to walk over there. Transfer.
Video this morning about?
Huh?
What was your video this morning about?
Oops! In my YouTube already, it's about me. I'm having pain. Like this right now. We're talking. Okay?
Oh, we are?
Yeah. I thought you were talking to me.
I was talking to you.
Nice boat. Nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Look what she's doing then.
I'm telling you, they're gonna shoot her out of the.
Close up. Time for your close up.
Once upon a time, we had this. A border like this.
It's a pain in the ass, really bird.
Well, I think Tommy and Louie owned one for a while, but you and Dad didn't.
They lived on a houseboat when they got married.
Did they?
Yeah,
Whose
really?
boat was it?
Yeah, we had a houseboat.
Daddy did? Yeah.
lived on a
I thought you lived in the Bronx.
When they got
On the
married, they did.
houseboat?
The houseboat was parked in the Bronx. When they first got married, they lived on a houseboat.
Is that true? Extended band of. That's why he's got Freddie Flintstone feet.
There's a Quiet Cove gift shop.
Where are we gonna park? Over there.
Oh, these are the handicapped Quiet Cove spaces. I have to go there.
Okay guys, andito kami. Kanina lang kami dito. Ilang oras na kami dito sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko.
Okay, guys, Pico, Michael, wiggle.
And yeah, so we're heading home.
We are. Alright, guys, you forgot how to start a car. Really? Come on. Somebody out there remind her.
So we're heading home. You don't even shut the light off. You forgot. Why the light is on?
You just turn it on.
No, I didn't. I think it's automatic though. Anyway, so we're going home. And I will see you home. Yung nieces ni Tommy, alis na sila bukas. Yan. We are home. We are home. Yes.
So you guys are all hungry with the trees by now, right?
Oh, little buggy. Oh, little buggy. Little buggy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys sa mga susunod nating vlog. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Hansi, good night, honey.
Hi, guys. Oh, don't mind me. I'm killing some trees. Hi, guys.
Yeah, Dad. Bye, guys.